Hello, let's talk today about how to work together effectively in groups. Let's assume that I am in a student group and I'm the group leader. My teacher has assigned us a group paper. So first, I might send out an outline or a rough draft for my group members to edit or make comments on. After each group member does their work and does their edits and their comments, then they might send each of their edited papers back to me. Then what do I have? I have a copy of everybody's work, and it's my job to put everything together, and it's very confusing. There's a better way to do this. It's called collaborations. Collaborations are a very cool and easy way to work on group projects together using Canvas. What we're going to do is create one document that everyone in the group can access and work on at the same time. Canvas has a nice relationship with Google that makes this work. You already have a Canvas user ID, and because you're a Highline student, you have a Highline student email, and this provides you with a Google user ID. So therefore, you don't need anything else before you can start collaborating. Let's talk through the instructions first, and then we'll switch over to Canvas and watch it in action. The first thing you need to do is log on to Canvas. The second thing is click on Collaborations on the left-hand side. If you haven't already done so, you'll also need to authorize your Google account. In order to authorize your Google account, you simply need to sign in using your Highline student user ID and your password, which is the same one that you use to log into Canvas. If you've already activated your Google account by using another Canvas app, then you don't need to do anything and you can skip this step. After you do this, after you activate your account, you'll be all ready to go. To start a new collaboration, you simply will enter in the name that you want your document to be called and a description, and then you need to select the members of your group so that they can edit your paper. Then click on Start Collaborating and you'll be taken directly to your shared Google Doc. Let's switch over to Canvas and see how it looks. So here I am in Canvas and I've logged in as a student. So here I am at the Canvas homepage. The first thing I want to do is click on Collaborations on the left-hand menu. This takes me to the collaboration screen that we saw in the PowerPoint presentation just a few minutes ago. The first thing I need to do is scroll down, and because I haven't done this before, I need to authorize Google Drive access. So I'll go ahead and click on the authorization link, and it's going to ask me to sign in. Now what you see when you get to this screen is probably going to look different. These are all my personal Google accounts as well as my son's Google account. So to get us on as a student, I'm going to click on Use Another Account. But hopefully when you get to this screen, you'll actually see your credentials up here. If you don't, you'll also want to click on Use Another Account, and then you'll need to enter your Highline student email address and your password to get credentialed. So I entered my student Highline user ID and my password, and I clicked on Next. And this took me to this screen, which you'll see where Canvas wants to access your Google account. So we'll go ahead and click on Allow. Now we're back in Canvas where we started from, and quickly up at the top of the screen there it disappeared, but very quickly it said that your Google account was now authorized. So now we're ready to start collaborating. We're going to collaborate using Google Docs. I need to enter the name of the document that I want to collaborate on, so I'm going to say this is a Canvas test collaboration. I'm not going to provide a description today. And then the next most important part is you need to tell Canvas who you want to collaborate with. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to click on Andrea Sawyer, who's another teacher in the class, and I'm going to click in the lower right-hand corner where it says Start Collaborating. Now I'm going to be taken directly to Google Docs. Now we have left Canvas and we are in Google Docs, and this is a little prompt from Google. I'll go ahead and say I understand. And Andrea happens to be live at this very time. And when I said I wanted to collaborate with her, she got an invitation in her email. She accepted the invitation, and you can see that she is now online with me. And if you look on the upper right, here it says Andrea Sawyer, and this is me right here. So Andrea, can you say hello to us? And she's typing live right now, and she said hello. So I'm going to type something back. I'm going to say, hi, Andrea. Thanks for collaborating with me. So now the great thing about this is you don't need to save your document anywhere on your desktop. It's automatically saved in Google, in the cloud, in Google Docs. It's managed by Canvas. You don't need to take any other steps. If you have other group partners that you've invited to the collaboration, then they'll show up in the upper right-hand corner here as well, and you can all be collaborating together or individually. If you add edits or comments to the document on your own when nobody else is online, those are automatically saved by Google so your entire team can see them the next time they log into Canvas and click on collaborations. One other quick feature I want to show you before we leave is right here in the upper right hand corner. If I click on the icon with the 3 circles, it says show chat. This opens up a sidebar where I can actually have a chat conversation with Andrea. And she can chat back with me. And she just responded, hi, Sherry. So there you go. Now we have collaborations, and I don't need to do anything extra once I'm done with my edits, my comments. All I have to do is close the window. And here I am back in Canvas. This is the collaboration document I just set up. I can access it by clicking on collaborations. It's there for me anytime. It's there for my group teammates anytime. It's only one document. You no longer have multiple copies running around that somebody has to keep track of.